Hi, this is Tori with the Oracle Technology Network. We're here live at Devoxx speaking to members of the Java community. I have Simon Ritter with me. Hey Simon, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Tell me your title or what you're going by these days.
I suppose you could call me the head of Java Evangelism at Oracle at the moment.
Okay, excellent. So tell me a little bit about your role, because it's changed a bit.
Yes, I've basically taken over running the evangelism team, so I'm now responsible for all of the activities that we do around getting Java in front of the community, getting Java in front of developers, really educating developers in all the great things that we're doing around Java at the moment.
Excellent. So all the great speakers, the cool demos,
Yes.
all that stuff. So tell me what you guys have been doing here this week.
Yeah, we've been having a really great week. We started off on Tuesday. We ran the Lambda hands-on labs in the morning, and that was absolutely packed. So we had a great audience. And it's really interesting for me to see how people are beginning to get the ideas behind Lambda expressions, because it is actually a big change in terms of the language, because we're moving away from just a purely imperative way of programming, an object-oriented programming, to more functional approach. And so for people who've used Java for a long time, it is a bit of a mind shift. But once you get it, you go, oh yeah, this is like a real aha moment, and you suddenly go, yeah, this is really powerful, and I can do lots of things with this. So it was really good to see that. So that was Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon we ran the Internet of Things University, and we had various demonstrations that we were showing different devices, again with Java and all of these things. I'm really getting it so that people can understand that Java is the common feature among these things, and the fact that you can take your skills as a Java programmer. You don't have to worry about the fact you may be an enterprise Java programmer. It's still Java, the language. So then you can approach embedded devices. You can say, okay, I want to do this, I want to collect this data. Very similar kind of ideas, maybe a little bit different in terms of the APIs, but it's very small learning curve compared to coming to a completely different language. So that was very good in terms of getting people up to speed on that kind of thing. And then yesterday, what did we do yesterday? No, today. It's Wednesday. It's only Wednesday, isn't it? Yes, today we had the keynote this morning. That was very good. Really interesting to see the presentations from Brian on Lambdas again, so he was getting the message across. And this afternoon I did the Raspberry Pi Carputer session, which...
Carputer? What's a carputer?
So I put a Raspberry Pi in my car so that I can read data from the car, I can talk to the car, and then I can display things on the screen, and you can see what's happening in real time, and you can interact with it with a touch screen.
Wow.
All using Java.
That sounds fun.
It is, yes.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of fun actually putting that together. So, and I was really impressed because I thought it might have been a bit of a niche appeal in terms of the audience, but the room was at least 80% full, I'd say. I know a lot of people there, and I think we had a good time.
Yep.
So it's been a good conference so far.
A great conference and a good time for Java, I think.
Indeed,
I think
yes.
Java is...
Yes, with Java EE7 having been launched recently and Java SE8 coming out in March next year, Java is continuing to evolve.
Yeah, we're in a new sweet spot, as it were, right?
Yeah.
Well, great.
Lots of good stuff going on in Java at the moment.
Excellent.
Be excited.
Thank you, Simon. Thanks for coming by.
Thank you.
And I'm sure we'll see you in the internet somewhere,
yes.
right? On your carputer. All right, this is Tori with the Oracle Technology Network.